Experiencing Wi-Fi problems on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra can be frustrating, especially when you rely on your internet connection for work, social media, and entertainment. This tutorial will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix Wi-Fi issues on your Galaxy S23 Ultra. There are several common causes of Wi-Fi problems on a Samsung Galaxy device. One potential issue is outdated or corrupted network settings, which can disrupt the connection between your device and the Wi-Fi network. Another possibility is that your device is in airplane mode, which disables all wireless connections, including Wi-Fi. Interference from other devices, such as microwaves or cordless phones, can also cause Wi-Fi connectivity problems. Additionally, incorrect network passwords, network bugs, or conflicts with other devices connected to the same network can lead to connection issues. Finally, power-saving mode can negatively impact Wi-Fi connectivity, as it reduces device performance and puts Wi-Fi to sleep to conserve battery life. Now, let's move on to our troubleshooting steps. First solution, restart your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and Wi-Fi router. Restarting your Galaxy S23 Ultra and Wi-Fi router is important because it clears the memory and cache of both devices, allowing the connection to start fresh. This simple step can resolve a majority of connection issues quickly and efficiently. To resolve Wi-Fi issues on your Galaxy S23 Ultra, first press and hold the power and volume down buttons until the power menu appears. Tap the restart option, allowing your device to restart in a few seconds. Concurrently, unplug your Wi-Fi router from the electrical outlet and wait for 10 to 15 seconds before plugging it back in. Finally, wait for the router lights to stabilize, indicating that the router has completely restarted, before attempting to reconnect to Wi-Fi. Second solution, check airplane mode. Checking airplane mode is necessary because when it is enabled, it disables all wireless connections, including Wi-Fi. Ensuring airplane mode is off allows you to confirm that Wi-Fi connectivity is not being inadvertently blocked, helping to diagnose and fix connection issues on your device. To check airplane mode on your Samsung Galaxy device, swipe down from the top of the screen twice to access the Quick Settings panel. Look for the airplane mode icon, which will be visible if it's enabled. Tap the icon to disable airplane mode, allowing your device to automatically attempt connecting to available Wi-Fi networks. Ensuring airplane mode is off helps confirm that Wi-Fi connectivity is not being inadvertently blocked. Third solution. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi network. Forgetting and reconnecting to a Wi-Fi network is important because it resets the network password, removes any stored network errors, and obtains a new IP address. To forget and reconnect, first open the Settings app, tap Connections, followed by Wi-Fi. Tap the gear next to the network you want to forget, and select Forget. Finally, return to the Wi-Fi section, choose the same network, input the password, and tap Connect to re-establish your connection. Fourth solution, disable power saving mode. Disabling power saving mode is necessary because it can reduce device performance, disable certain features affecting network stability, and put Wi-Fi to sleep. Turning it off allows your device to use its full power, helping maintain a stable Wi-Fi connection. To disable power saving mode on your device, begin by navigating to the Settings app. From there, tap on Battery and Device Care followed by Battery. You can disable the power saving toggle within this menu or alternatively, access the Quick Settings panel and tap the power saving mode icon to turn it off, ensuring optimal device performance and Wi-Fi connectivity. Fifth solution, reset network settings. Resetting network settings is necessary because it clears out any corrupted network settings, cached data, and other related issues that can cause connectivity problems on your device. To reset network settings on your Galaxy S23 Ultra, navigate to the Settings app. From there, tap on General Management and then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings, enter your device PIN or password if prompted, and confirm by tapping Reset Settings. Follow a few on-screen instructions to proceed. Once the process is complete, attempt to connect to Wi-Fi again to see if the issue has been resolved. By understanding these troubleshooting steps, you can resolve connectivity problems quickly and efficiently, improving your overall experience with your device. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.